Good morning, my lovely children. How are you all? Hope you all are fit, healthy, and fine. So, my dear kids, I welcome you all to another revision video of EVS. As you all know that in the previous video, we had done revision of chapter 1, Body and Health. So, in today's video, we are going to revise chapter 2 of EVS, which is inside our body. So children, do you remember that what we have learnt in this chapter? So let me give you a quick recap. We have learnt about our 4 internal organs. 4 very important internal organs in this video. And which were those, children? These were our bossy brain, our pumping heart, and our airy bag-like structures, lungs, and the one which helps in digestion of the food. Which is that organ, children? Stomach. And children, we have learnt that all these organs are inside our body and we cannot see them with our eyes. So what are they called? They are called as internal organs. So children, now we will be doing some exercises based on chapter 2 just for your revision. And these exercises you have to do orally. You have to answer all the questions orally. You need not write them in your notebooks. So children, shall we begin? So the question 1 is, tell the correct option. First part, which of the following is called the pumping organ of our body? So children, get ready for telling the answer. The first part is heart. The second part is lungs. The third part is brain. And the fourth part is stomach. So children, quickly tell me that which organ is called as the pumping organ in our body. Yes, my dear kids, you are correct. The answer is heart. Now, coming over to the next question. Which of the following controls all the parts of our body? So, tell me that which internal organ controls other parts of our body? Is that stomach? Or is that brain? Or is that mouth? Or head? So children, quickly tell me that which organ controls the parts of your body? Yes, my dear kids, very good. The answer is brain. Now, coming over to the next part. The third part is, which of the following activities is done by lungs? So tell me, kids, is that eating? Is that breathing? Is that thinking? Or is that the fourth part, seeing? So children, we all know that we eat through our mouth, which is an external organ. And we do the breathing through our nose also, but that is an external organ. So internally we breathe through our lungs, And as you all know that thinking organ or the thinking part is done by our bossy brain, and we see with our eyes. So children, answer is second part, breathing. Now coming over to the next part, which of the following is not an internal organ? So children, tell me that among the following option, which is not an internal organ? Yes, the answer is hand. Stomach is inside our body, brain is also inside our body, and lungs are also inside our body. So hands are outside our body and we can see them also. So hand is not an internal organ. Coming over to the next part, the food we eat goes from mouth to. So children, we have read about this. Tell me that when we eat the food through our mouth, where does it go? Where does it reach? It reaches our stomach. Yes, my dear kids, where the digestion process begins. So the answer is stomach. I hope that you all are able to answer all the questions, as I know that like good children you are watching the videos and learning them. Now coming over to the next part. So the next question is, identify the following internal organs. So few pictures are given to you children. Now you have to identify that which internal organs are these. So children, the first picture is showing you what? Tell me quick children. Yes, this is the picture of brain, our mighty brain. Very good. Now tell me which is the second picture. What is it showing? You can see that it is in pair, left and right. So which internal organs is in pair in our body? Lungs. We have left lung and right lung. Very good. Now coming over to the next part. What is this children? The third part. What is the third picture showing you? Heart. The pumping heart. It is the pumping organ of our body. Very nice. And what does it do? It pumps blood and nutrients to all other parts of our body. Always remember this, my dear kids. Now coming over to the fourth picture. What is fourth picture showing you? This bag-like structure, and see children, it is shaped like the alphabet J also. So now are you able to remember that which organ is this? Yes children, this is our stomach. Very good. So now coming over to the next question children. Next question is, fill in the. So the first part is, organs which are inside our body are called as. So children, tell me that what are those organs called which are inside our body, which we cannot see from our eyes. Yes, my dear kids, the answer is internal organs. Very nice. Very, very good. Now coming over to the next part. Heart pumps dash to other parts of the body. So tell me, children, we have just done this. Tell me, what does our heart pump to other parts of the body? Yes. Are you able to recall? Yes, my dear kids. So the answer is blood. Very good. A big clap for yourself. Now coming over to the next part. Dash digests the food we eat. So tell me that which organ of our body helps us to digest the food eaten by us? So it is our stomach which helps us to digest the food eaten by us. Coming over to the next part. Lungs are located inside the... So tell me, my dear kids, that where are lungs located inside our body? Lungs are located inside our chest. Very good. Now, the last part is dash helps us to breathe. So tell me, children, which organ, which internal organ helps you to breathe? It's our... Yes, our lungs helps us to breathe. So very well done, my dear kids. I hope that you all are enjoying watching the videos and learning from them. So keep watching the videos. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.